Every candle has meaning if you know how to read it. I'm the Fear. My system is used by over 50,000 traders across the world. Inside my Telegram channel, I share free signal strategies and real-time insights into the market. Join today, link in the description. Knowledge is profit.
They say that I'm on the road. Maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking tolls. Find me out here on my own.
CAD CHF. The chart shows a clear downtrend. The price keeps forming lower lows, and each new pullback is weaker than the previous one. The alligator lines are open and directed downward, confirming a stable bearish movement. After a short pause, candles began forming a new impulse down, while RSI staying in the lower zone with no signs of reverse. I opened a PUT trade for $50 with a duration of 2 minutes. Entering with the trend and expecting the continuation of the downtrend move after a short correction. Want to earn with trading but don't want to spend months studying charts and indicators? Here's a simple way to start right now. I created a VIP channel with a live session where I share my exact entry points in real time. Just copy the trades and profit with me. Message me on Telegram to join and get 240 signals per month. Link in the description. The market fully confirmed the forecast. The downward movement strengthened and candles closed below the entry level. The alligator remained open to the downside, confirming seller dominance. The trade closed in profit with a payout of $96 and a net profit of $46. A clean trend entry without unnecessary risk. A perfect example of disciplined technical analysis in action. AUD USD. The chart shows a steady downtrend. The price keeps making a new low, and the market structure remains under seller control. The RSI indicator confirmed the pressure. Values are near the lower range, with no signs of reverse. I noticed a short upward pullback, followed by the appearance of a new bearish candle, a signal for trend continuation. I opened a PUT trade for $96 with a duration of 2 minutes. The goal is to enter in the direction of the main movement and capture the next impulse down. Want to trade smarter and stay in full control? Meet ZFX, the AI-driven trading robot that tracks every shift across real market, crypto, OTC, and stocks, all in one place. It scans 15 top currency pair, 12 crypto coins, 15 OTC assets, and 15 major company stocks, giving you precise entries with 86% accuracy. No emotions, no guesswork, just data and execution 24/7. Type "I want ZFX" to see how it works or message me on Telegram. I'll help you set it up. Link in the description. Back to the trade. The market performed perfectly. After a brief fluctuation, the downward movement shifted and candles closed below the entry point. RSI confirmed the continuation of selling pressure. The trade closed in profit with a payout of $184 and a net profit of $88. A great example of a trading following entry supported by both candle structure and RSI confirmation. AUD GPY. The chart clearly shows a downtrend. Each new peak is lower than the previous one, and downward impulses are getting stronger. Candles are confidently breaking support levels, forming new lows. RSI remains in the bearish zone with no signs of oversold conditions, meaning the downside potential is still there. I opened a PUT trade for $184 with a duration of 2 minutes. The idea is simple: follow the main trend and catch the next impulse down. Want to trade stress-free without guessing? Private trading equals ready-made signals and personal support. Follow me, copy the trades, earn money. That simple. Message me on Telegram, I'll help you connect. Link in the description. The market moved exactly as expected. The downtrend continued, and candles closed well below the entry level. RSI kept moving lower, confirming strong selling pressure. The trade closed in profit with a payout of $353 and a net profit of $169. A textbook trend trade, calm, confident, and fully supported by technical confirmation. Today's session went smoothly and precisely according to the system. 3 trades, 3 accurate entries, all with positive results. The first trade on CAD CHF was a classic trend setup, precise move within the descending channel, and after a short correction, resumed the downtrend. Profit $46. The second trade on AUD USD caught the continuation of the trend right after a minor pullback. Both RSI and candle structure confirmed the move. Profit $88. And the final trade on AUD GPY, a confident trend entry with a clean impulse down and solid technical confirmation. Profit $169. In total, the session closed with $303 in net profit. Each trade followed strict rules. No martingale, no emotions, just logic and technical precision. That's another session wrapped up. If you want to understand my logic, my tools, and my daily setups, it's all inside my open Telegram channel. Over 50,000 traders are already using it to improve their results. Join now, link in the description.